Hi, I'm Sami Knight. I am a professional hairdresser and I am showing people a few things about hair. Now, in our last video, Mimi and I made this gorgeous, perky Barbie-style ponytail, which we love, love, love. But if you wanted to do something that was all up and an updo, I'm going to show you how to do that too. This is super, super simple and you can do it in moments. I'm going to comb this through. We had a little teasing in here, so I'm going to get the teasing out. And I am going to split this in two right down the middle. And what I'm going to do is grab some Pop and Lock, which is like a really thick serum. It's got a little bit of hold and a little bit of shine. I love using it for things like this. If I'm doing twists, it's perfect. And it's just going to hold any flyaways down. And all I'm doing here is just combing the Pop and Lock through the hair. This is going to stop flyaways, and then I'm going to chase it up, a little chaser of hairspray over the top. Quite a lot. And then I'm going to take the Pop and Lock again and just smooth everything out. This is just for the flyaways. So we're going to twist this in a minute, and we don't want any flyaways. Okay, and I'll take that from you. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a rope twist. So to do a rope twist, you take your two sections and you twist them both in the same direction, like that, and like that. And then you pass them in the opposite direction over each other. And you keep doing that all the way down. So you're twisting to the right, turning to the left, 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 twisting to the right, turning to the left. And then what we're going to do is dress the twist. We're basically going to pull this up and around like that. And now I'm going to secure this a little bit further down towards Mimi's head. And I'm going straight in. So we're going to secure just here as well. So we're going to go just pinning like that. And what I'm doing is just with the ends that we curled ahead of time, I'm just dressing into a little whirl, just to make it a little more interesting than tucking the ends in. I know people like tucked in ends, but I do too. But sometimes I also like a little bit of a flourish. There is an elegant but fun updo. And all I'm going to do is grab my toothbrush and just make sure that everything is finessed. People are going to look especially around here, so make sure this is all really nicely finished. And there you have it, a gorgeous little holiday updo, anytime updo, birthday party updo. It's up. Thanks, Mimi.